Ginger. I'm too busy.
You never play with me.
Look, a bug.
Oh, mine.
You gonna eat all of that? My stomach's barking.
It's my last sandwich, Ben. But I wish there were enough for everyone.
Excelsior! I have an invention for that.
Is this some fancy gizmo that makes anyone look breathtakingly handsome?
Nah, just a mirror.
You're right. I couldn't look any better.
Like my uber-duper duplicator, it copies everything that passes through it.
Play with me.
If only there were two of me.
Stop running away, Tubby!
I'm sorry, Ginger. I've been a bad, bad uncle.
That's strange, Thomas. Your copy was somehow different.
Having two of me is good, which means more would be better. Ready for this? Kitter from the sitter? Bring it.
What's happening? The ground is alive.
I'm out of here! Earthquake!
Now that I have your attention, enjoy my anti-gravitron-animator dance floor 4000.
Whoa! Hey, look! I can fly!
You're a bird.
No, really! Check it out! I'm a cat!
Look at me.
Bye, rabbit! Oh, yeah!
You're a ceiling cat. You did it, Ben. You killed gravity.
I thought it could be fun this way. Happy flying!
Hey, like, nice tie. Mine's like freezing denim. What are you doing covert with the enemy? This is a